This girl's so uncomfortable. I wish I had a chair.
You can have a comfortable chair. Growflex is a company that makes plastic patio furniture and planters. Let's let the man, the myth, the legend himself explain that part.
Well, the company started out making hand tools out of wood and metal, and then in the 1950s they...
Hey Gene, you forgot one.
Thank you so much, Eric. The company integrated plastic into the hand tools. Here's an example. And that was the beginning of making products out of plastic, which has evolved into most of the product line today.
They use plastic resin to make pots and furniture that look like other material.
Wow!
And although their furniture is made completely of plastic, they are sturdy, durable, and most importantly, comfortable! Not only does making these products take skill and mechanical knowledge, but it also takes cooperation and communication.
They're both so important. Communicate in order to cooperate.
Oh, wait. So you're saying that for me to lay in a comfortable chair, it took cooperation, communication, knowledge, teamwork? What?
Precisely. Well, let's not focus on that.
I was gonna tell you about a pun about a chair, but it just wouldn't sit right with me.
Anyways, these designs could take years to create, as well as designing the machines and making sure the products are safe.
You can have people cooperating on the wrong thing. Cooperation is really more dependent on who you're around and if you're working on the same project, but most times you're going to need to be hopping between different projects, so communicating what you're working on and when you're working on it is really important.
Ooh, communication is always first and foremost.
Why are you sitting at the parking lot?
Well, we're at Growflex! This is the chair!
Get back to work!
Thank you, Growflex!